Okay, when I open this,
Okay.
I'm already seeing a lot of sludge laying in this line.
Okay.
Now go flush your upstairs toilet for me once. Okay, splashback. Yeah, what happened when you flushed, I'm running some water here at the sink just to help flush things out.
Right.
When you flushed that toilet, I had stuff coming right back up at me. Okay, here, right here is where your other toilet comes in.
Okay.
It drops into this pipe.
Okay, I can see the water coming down the side of it. Okay.
So what happens? This pipe is horizontal that we're in.
Right.
This one is vertical.
Yeah.
So it stands to reason that when you flush that upstairs toilet, when water hits the bottom, it's going to splash and go both ways.
Right, right.
A lot of waste and debris is going to come back up into this pipe.
Okay.
And all the water is going to go out.
Right.
And leave all that waste behind.
Okay.
And you'll get more and more and more of that pile up until eventually it gets packed up right here, and then you'll be plugged.
Okay.
So I'm thinking this is where you are having your issue.
Okay.
What to do about that would be, I can give you a name of a plumber that can come in, and I don't know what that is coming in on the top here.
It looks like a pipe of some sort, doesn't it?
Yeah, a little green one.
Yeah.
Like a washing machine.
Well, maybe.
Hose or...
Well, that's right here.
Where does that washer go?
Mine is right here. Right back there. And you pull the back over and stuff.
Oh, it goes straight. Okay. But what they would do is they'll come in and maybe just have to do a little, they have saws, and they maybe have to cut a piece of the floor at the bottom of that, where that pipe comes down.
Yeah.
And they'll change that, so instead of just a straight drop, they'll make it turn and go in like a Y.
Okay.
That way, when water comes down, everything is going with the direction of flow.
Okay, it would almost be like what's over here, where it's even with the pipe that.
Yeah.
Like that. Okay. Yeah, there is a lot of sludging in it, really.
Well, this isn't. This is your sand. This is,
Build up.
yeah, cast iron pipe.
Okay, okay.
You know, it's got kind of, it's kind of rough and scaly inside.
Okay.
And it tends to build up at the bottom because that's where the water lays. It kind of wouldn't surprise me if maybe the bottom of the pipe is getting rotted out. Let me shut this off a minute here. Let that water go away. Sometimes in this old cast iron pipe, because there's always water flowing, we'll see that the bottom of the pipe will actually rot away.
Oh,
so you have a little split.
Oh, I see.
So a lot of the water can leak out, which can contribute to sludge.
And maybe that's where the water's coming in over there.
That's possible.
Because it never used to leak there. It was coming on the far side of the wall when it rained. Now it's coming over here.
Yeah. See, now I'm underwater.
Yeah.
So there's definitely some low spots. So I dare say your issue, now here's where, this must be where everything ties together.
Okay.
This kind of curves and then goes out. Now that other line that I cleaned probably comes in right here.
Yeah.
So once we get out here, we should cast iron, and then now we're into the clay tile. So this is where we start to go outside. So basically, I guess from where that stack drops down, they could just follow the pipe along the floor and then replace that with plastic and redo it so it's hooked up in Y's instead of T's, and I think that will solve your issue, because from what I can see, they really have no problem going out to the street. I think every time you plug up, it's probably going to be plugged up between here and where I worked to begin with.
Okay. When we're all here, we sometimes have family members, other family members here. This toilet was being used, like, just at that time. And then, I see what you mean.
Yeah, see, this almost looks to me like you maybe are starting to lose the bottom of the pipe.
Okay.